In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Airtable password. If you need to update your password for security reasons, or you simply want something easier to remember while still keeping your account safe. This process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening Airtable on your computer and logging in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct login method for the account you want to update. Once you're signed in and can see your workspace, you're ready for the next step. Now, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the top area of the screen. Click on that icon to open the account menu. From there, go to your account settings. This is where Airtable keeps the personal account options related to your profile, login, and security. Inside your account settings, look for the section related to password management or login security. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on updates to Airtable's interface, but you're looking for the area where you can change your current password. Take a moment to read the labels carefully so you select the right option. If Airtable asks for your current password, enter it in the appropriate field. This is a standard security step that helps confirm it's really you making the change. Be careful while typing, especially if your password is hidden on screen, and make sure there are no extra spaces or typing errors. Next, type your new password into the new password field. Then enter the same password again in the confirmation field. When choosing a new password, it's a good idea to create one that is strong and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed, and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. This helps improve your overall account security. After that, click the option to save your new password. Airtable should process the change and update your account credentials. If you see a confirmation message, that usually means the update was successful. As a final check, log out of Airtable and then log back in using your new password. This step is important because it confirms that the password change worked correctly. If you're able to sign in without any issues, then everything is set, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Airtable password and confirmed that your new login works properly.